In this course, you will explore everything you need to become a Harry Potter illustrator and expert. You will create the characters and have fun drawing them. With Harry, Hermione, Ron, Dobby, Malfoy, Quidditch games and the 4 teams. Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. You got it all here. This course is designed for all experience levels. So if you haven't sketched Harry Potter before, or you want to take your work to the next level, you are most welcome. You can use whatever materials you have handy. It can be sketch pens, Sharpies, colored pencils, crayons and paper. You don't have to wait long and you can get started right now using your imagination and creativity, which is brilliant. Your instructor, Clea, from WizKids Club will guide you through the step-by-step method, which is super easy. Okay, so let's get started drawing Harry Potter and his friends now.